Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Thank you for joining me in another super cool exciting tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create menu for your WordPress website and how you can manage it in Astra Header Builder. When I say manage it, I mean how you can move it around your header or in your footer. Okay? Without further ado, subscribe, like, smash the bell. Let's go! Okay guys, now I'm in my new installation of WordPress. It is called EduForward. In next video I'm going to create a complete WordPress website with Gutenberg. I was inspired by Avnish from Easy Tutorials, so this name comes from him, and also I took one of his images for today's tutorial, but in next one I'm going to build a whole new website. Let's change this menu and create new one. From your dashboard, from this page, go to menus or go to dashboard and then click here appearance and menus, and now I'm using the my menu. Now we are going to create completely new menu. Let's call it second menu and check here to display location, primary menu and mobile menu. Click on create menu. For now I have two pages on my website. This is homepage and this creating menu in Astra Header Builder. This is the second page. When you create more pages, you have more options here, and all you need to do is to check just like this and add it to your menu. Okay, but now I'm going to remove this home. By the way, here you can remove it. And also, if you want to build one-page website, custom links are very handy. For example, here you can type the URL, and if your site have few sections, for example, about me, my projects, my portfolio, contact, or something like that, just type the, for example, hashtag and click here on about me, and the text will be link text will be about me. Now let's check another custom link, for example, contact, and also portfolio. Click here on save menu over here, and now let's go to see our page. This is our page. Our title for this page is too short. Let's short it out. For example, creating menu. Leave those two words. Click save menu over there. Refresh our page. Ta-da! Okay. Now let me show you the one-page website concept. This is my portfolio, and there I have few links. Look this link here, and you can see the after slash, you can see hash about. When I click on this link, my page will scroll to about me section or contact section or portfolio, you name it. Okay, now let's do the same for our page. You already know that for this link here, look there, I add the hash about dash me, and now on this page I already added this cover section, some space between this image and the title, and for this title I'm going to add the hashtag. Click here on edit page, go down there, and for about me, for now don't look on these options, just go on advanced, and in HTML anchor type about me, the complete word but without hashtag. Click on update, then view page, and see what's going to happen. This is our section, and with this I can jump through my page. One cool thing in Astra theme or menu in general, then you can set sub-items for this about me, for example, part, and you can see the drop-down. You can get the drop-down menu. Let me show you. For example, I want to about me page will be the parent page for portfolio. Portfolio page, in this case custom link, and by default now it is the sub item. You see what I have done, just move it right here, and also on this way you can change the order of your links. Click on save menu, then remove this hash from our URL, refresh our page, and now you can see your drop down. This is the portfolio, okay, and our section here. Now let's go to the customizer and see how it is look like the Astra header builder. I already filmed one tutorial about it, actually about header builder and footer builder. This here, I will put the link here, you can check it out. And also I have one tutorial how you can create the button, how you can add the button with your menu, or how you can create menu with button. Also I will put link here and down there in the description so you can see. Now let's go to see Astra header builder. And there we have 3 rows, first, middle and last column, and the default our logo is there and our primary menu is here. For example, if you want to move your logo here, you can do it just like this, and you can move your primary menu beneath your logo here, or just like this, for example, or you can move your primary menu here and you will get more space there. Also you can create another menu, or you can set your primary menu here and move it logo there, and also here you can add secondary menu. In our case this is the primary, but we are going to change it. This menu here, I think. Now you can go on the, I think here, not there, but you can go on menus and check main menu to be secondary menu. Okay, click here to publish, and now you can see our page builder, home builder again, and with this I have 2 menus on my page. Okay, the options are almost endless, and here when you click on primary menu you can change the submenu with container animation, you can change the design. The best practice is to take your time and check all of these sections here. Also you have options above the header or in the primary header. Here you can change the height and bottom border color, background, padding, margin, and so on. Okay guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope that you like it, and in next video I'm going to create one-page website from Anish tutorial. This tutorial will be the ground basis, because in main tutorial I don't want to build this menu and to spend your time on this. Before the end, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment and smash the bell. Until next time, see you!